To make cuffs on the sleeves, we need to cut fabric rectangles where width should be the twice the desired cuff width plus seam allowances on both sides. And the lengths should match your wrist circumference plus a little bit more for ease, and also 1 inch for button overlap plus seam allowances. Cut identical piece of interfacing and apply it to the wrong side of the fabric. Next, fold the cuff in half with the wrong side inside and press along the fold to create a central crease. Then we will fold the right side in and stitch the short ends using the seam allowances. This way we will create the sides of our cuffs. Then we will turn the cuffs right side out. We will fix the corners, make them exactly 90-degree corners, and we will press the cuffs again. Now we need to pin one edge of the cuff to the sleeve's edge, aligning the beginning and the end points. Then we need to distribute any extra fabric on the sleeve by creating a pleat or two between the sleeve seam and the cuff end, approximately down the elbow area. Then, to ensure symmetry, we will mark the pleat position on the second cuff and repeat the attachment process for the other sleeve. So on the other cuff, we marked pleats position, we marked distance between pleats and also distance to the sleeve seam. And now we will stitch the seam, attaching the one side of the cuff to the bottom edge of the sleeve. Now, when one side of the cuff is already attached to the sleeve, we will double check that everything looks correct and symmetrical. Then we will press the seam allowances of the seam that we just stitched towards to the cuff. Then we will fold over the inner edge of the cuff and align it with the seam, and we will press it again. Also remember to create a little tension while folding this edge to ensure the straight and crisp line along of the folded edge. And finally, we will top stitch the cuff, ensuring that the lower edge, the inner edge of the cuff, is also attached with this seam. Then we will double check one more time that the inner seam, inner edge all attached, and from the outside also it looks great and accurate. We will also at this point can mark our buttonholes and make buttonholes and attach buttons, but the attachment of our cuff is finished. So if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you in the next one.